a few telltale signs. None of them are super definitive, but a real bad hack is going to be obvious. So, some of the things you can look through are all of a sudden your data usage is through the roof, meaning like maybe some malicious application is constantly tracking you and sending your data off to be recorded by people who might not have the best of intentions with it. You can start seeing some strange pop ups. That's another big sign that your iPhone is hacked. So you're just browsing along, and then something pops up trying to sell you something or get you to sign up for something unusual. The other thing you might see are random apps being installed, things that you hadn't expected be there and then are now on your phone that you weren't particularly expecting. You might see some strange phone calls in your outbound list. This could be a sign that your SIM card potentially has been cloned. And then finally, if your battery is just starting to drain super quick. So if any of these telltale signs pop up, they could be something indicating that your phone's been hacked. Might be a good idea to either take it to a professional or to your phone carrier and see if they can identify if your SIM's popping up in multiple places. They'll be able to tell that right away and get you squared away quickly.